In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the front inner fender liners on this GMC Sierra. These are going to be located behind the front wheels. Let's get into it. Now we're going to take off the wheel. Use a 22mm socket to take the lug nuts off. Remove the wheel. Using a T15 socket, we're going to take these screws out. Right there. These two. And take these out. All right, now the panel is loose. Take these top two screws out on the trim. Same T15 socket. And these two lower ones, same T15 socket. Now just fold the center a little bit. Just push it inward a little. There we go. And that comes right out. Take the inner fender well, or inner fender liner. There's a little bump right here that lines up with a square or a hole in there. So we're just going to go underneath the trim. So you're going to have to fold it a little bit. It's under the trim. Just pull it forward. It's pretty good. There we go. Just get that in position. Good. Now with this lined up, we're going to get these two middle ones started. Don't tighten them down yet, but just get them in there. Get those lined up. And get the other ones started. Again, don't tighten them down, just get them all started. And get the other ones in. And this is the last one. Once that's in, we can snug these all down. Oops. And the trim screws, put those in. Snug those down. And these two up top, snug those down. Now put the wheel on. Get the lug nuts started. And snug these down. Now we're going to torque these lug nuts in a cross pattern to 140 foot-pounds. Go around again, double check. That was a quick and easy job, and now you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.